Good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. I am on a new adventure today. I have in my heart to create a food forest. And I live here in the desert, and okay, but people are doing it, and I'm studying it online. I see lots of YouTube, so here we go. First, I started with a pot that has holes in the bottom, and I drilled some holes here, which is a lot harder than it looks when you see people doing it on YouTube. At least it was for me, because all my drill bits are really dull at the end. So if you drill holes in plastic, make sure that the very tips of your drill bits are very sharp. It has some shredded paper. It has some ground up leftovers and kitchen scraps. Banana peel, orange peel, carrot, potato peels. In this baggie I have some stuff out of the vacuum, which I think should have lots of dog hair and lots of dirt. Put in the shredded paper. Adding some native soil here that I've been working to improve. Now the leftover vegetable scraps that I blended in the blender. Now the stuff that came out of the vacuum. This is gross, but I know this is what plants like. Look at that dog hair. Yeah. Some more native soil. Some more native leaves. And more native soil. Now I'm going to bury it here right by the grow oya. And you might wonder why I put this dog crate around it in the first place. Well, there are lots of little critters around here that like to eat plants, so I'm hoping to keep some of them out. I also have some mesh that I'm going to put around here. I have a test radish right there. See that radish? It's my test to see what kind of critters will come in and eat. Okay, so there's my compost bin with holes in it, buried in the ground, right beside my grow oya. Stopper on the grow oya. Sounds like Toyota. And there is my little green. See my little green radish? I don't know if you can see it. My hand's in the way. Yeah, a little green radish. So that's going to tell me if there are any bunny rabbits or little rodents that come in here. Then I'll know to put more mesh around the edge. So, thank you for joining me in my start to a food forest in the desert. There's a lot of food that can grow in the desert. I just have to learn about it and learn how to do it. So I'll see you next time. Adios. Jesus loves you. Be sure and subscribe and like, ring the bell, and we'll see you again. Bye.